Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Angela here. What it do? And today, you guys, we have an exciting unboxing. So if you want to see what I got, keep on watching. Okay. Alright, you guys, it's a real one's birthday coming up real soon. So I decided to treat myself with something from Louis. So here's my receipt. I did go in store and purchase this. Y'all broke my nail, don't judge me. Anyway, here's my receipt. I'll put this in the bag because that's where it's going to stay. And this is something, you guys, believe it or not, it was not on my wish list that I just did. This is not a wish list item. I went in there and looked at some things from my wish list, but girl, this one spoke to me. So, yay! And y'all, while I take this out, so here it is. Let me move this. Y'all, I found out something. Because one thing about me, I wanted my item to not be made in the U.S., in the USA. Just, girl, I didn't want it from the U.S. So the first piece that I had, it was made in the U.S. And how me and my essay determined that is, it just said, I think Louis Vuitton on the tag. It didn't have a country or anything. So we went through a lot of bags. If it don't say Italy or France or Spain or anything, it was made in the U.S. So do with that information as you will. So the item that I got, you guys, oh my God, it's so pretty. It is so stinking pretty. I got, you guys, the high-rise bum bag. Yay! Y'all, this bag is just, oh my God. Y'all, look at her. Look. Y'all. Look. Y'all. Look at her. Y'all. She is so beautiful. She is stunning, girl. She is stunning. Now, I've been wanting something in the monogram canvas for so long, but the vachetta, you know, it scares me. But this is not too much that, you know what I'm saying, I can deal with this, okay? So, let's open her up. Now, the only thing about this bag, because I have looked at a few reviews on this bag, is the light interior. It does come with this guitar strap. So it does have this really light interior. I'm going to get a insert. Okay. Here is, let me hold this up. So any of y'all want, here this is for any of you all. Okay. Okay, so my bag is made in Paris. Y'all can see mine is made in Paris. This is how it looks on the end. This is how mine looks on the inside. And this pocket in the back is independent of the one on the front. Y'all see it has like little LVs or whatever. Trying to get it to focus. I think y'all can see it. There you go. You see how it has like little LVs and everything? This is so cute, y'all. This is so stinking cute. I love this. It is big and wide, but it sits flatter on the body. Y'all, I absolutely love this for me. So I did go in looking at the mini bum bag. The mini bum bag, just, I didn't pick it up and try it, but just looking at it, it seems so small, and especially with my body frame, it just seems way too small for me. So that's what turned me off from the mini bum bag. And I had another bag in mind, but the color, girl, the color just, it wasn't as vibrant as I thought it was gonna be. But her, oh my god, love it. I love it. I love it. So I'm not going to use it yet until I get my insert. But y'all, this bag is just, it's perfect. I love it. It's something that was so not expected. For me, it's just like the little card or whatever. So yeah, it does come with the guitar strap, and it is detachable and adjustable. But y'all seen a gazillion of these, so. But y'all, I love this for me. This was one of my birthday gifts to myself. I did purchase a few more things, and we're going to be unboxing those as they come in. But this is my first birthday gift to myself. I deserve it. I deserve it. So yeah, you guys, I got a high-rise bum bag, and I love her. I absolutely love her, you guys. So, alright you guys, so that pretty much concludes this unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I love y'all, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye y'all.